Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to launch Sniper Elite 5 game on your Windows computer or if you are facing crashing and freezing issue. Now the first step is to restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart takes care of the problem. So restart your computer and after the system restart, launch the game. Still you are facing the problem, then select Vulkan when launching the game. So click on play, then you will see this launcher. Now click on this gear settings icon and then over here you can see under rendering API option, by default DirectX 12 would be selected, so select Vulkan and then click on OK and now click on play. Now the next step is to, first of all, for Xbox Game Pass user, create a desktop shortcut and then launch the game as an administrator. For this, open Xbox app. On the left hand side here you can see the list of all the Xbox game installed over here. Now select Sniper Elite 5 and then click on this three dot and then click on create a shortcut. In my case the game is not installed, so I don't see the option. So for example, I'll show you with different games. So click on three dots over here and then click on create a desktop shortcut. Now once you click on it, once the desktop shortcut is created, go to desktop, make a right click on Sniper Elite 5 and then click on run as administrator. My game is not installed right now, so I don't have run as administrator, but once you make a right click on Sniper Elite 5, you will see the option which says run as administrator. Click on it and then launch the game. Now for Steam users, run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder. So for this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. Now open the launcher folder. Now make a right click on Sniper Elite 5.exe file, select properties, go to the compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply, click on OK. Now go back, open the bin folder. Now again make a right click on Sniper 5 dx12 exe file, select properties, compatibility, put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply, OK. Again make a right click, then select properties, compatibility, again put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply, OK. Now make a double click and then try to launch the game from here. So try dx12. If that does not work, you can try vulkan.exe or you can open the launcher, make a double click over here and launch the game from the game installation folder. Now still you are facing the problem, then again open launcher folder, make a right click on the game exe file, select properties and then go to compatibility and then put a check on the box which says disable full screen optimization. Put a check over here, then click on apply, OK. Do the same thing with open the bin folder and do the same thing with dx12, compatibility, disable full screen optimization, apply, OK. Again make a right click, disable full screen optimization and then click on apply, OK. Make a double click and then try to launch the game from here and check. Now the next step is to uncheck play with easy anti-cheat. For this, launch the game first and then click on this settings icon and uncheck the box. By default this box would be checked, that is play with easy anti-cheat. Uncheck this and then click on OK and then launch the game. Click on play. Now the next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. Go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here and select the right operating system and then click on start search and then scroll down. This is the latest driver. Click on get download and then click on download now. Now once the download is complete, run this exe file. Now you will see this screen. Click on agree and continue and then put a check on the box which says custom and then click on next and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, then click on next and after the clean installation restart your computer. Now the next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. Make sure that you are running the game on dedicated graphic card. So if your computer came with two graphic card, make sure that you are running the game on discrete graphic card. For this, type in graphics settings. In Windows search box, click on graphics settings, and then for Steam users, select desktop app and then click on browse, and then go to the game installation folder. In your case it may be in C drive, so open C drive, then open program files x86, open Steam folder, then open Steam apps. First of all, I'm showing for Steam users, so open Steam apps folder. Over here you will see common folder, open common, and over here you will find the game folder. In my case it's in D drive, Steam library, Steam apps, common. Open the Sniper Elite 5 game folder. Now open launcher folder, select Sniper Elite 5.exe, click on add. Now once the game is added over here, in my case the game is already added, so let me show you. Once the game is added, you will see this. Click on options, select high performance, then click on save. Now again go up, click on browse. This time go back and open the bin folder. Now select Sniper 5 dx12.exe. Again click on it and then click on options, select high performance, then click on save. Now again click on browse and this time select Sniper 5 Vulkan.exe and then click on add. And then once this is added, in my case all are already added, so click on Vulkan 1 and then click on options, select high performance, then click on save. Now launch the game. Now for Game Pass user, for Xbox Game Pass users, click on graphics settings and click on Microsoft Store app and then click on select an app. So select the game. You will find Sniper Elite 5 game over here in the list. In my case I have Steam version, so it's not there. In your case you will find Sniper Elite 5 game over here. So for example, I'll show you. Select the game and then click on add. Again click on the game, whichever, that Sniper Elite game, and then click on options, select high performance, then click on save and then launch the game. Now the next step is to disconnect all the external devices. So if you have HOTAS connected, disconnect additional joystick connected. If you have multiple monitor setup, disconnect multiple monitor and try to launch the game on single monitor. Unplug all the USB devices which you are not using it. So if you have these devices connected, disconnect these devices. Also close all these software. So if these softwares are running, close these software. If you have Asus computer, then end nahimic services. So make a right click on the start menu, then click on task manager to open task manager, and under the process tab you will find nahimic services. So if you have Asus computer, you will find nahimic services running. So if you find it, select it, then click on end task. This is just an example. I don't have that services running. So if you find this services running, end the task. If you find lighting services running, select lighting services and click on end task. Also, if you have undervolted your hardware, remove the undervolt and then try to launch the game. The next step is to update your Windows to the latest version. This is important. So go to the start menu, then click on settings, click on update and security or Windows update, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. In case if you're using Windows security, then go to the start menu, then click on settings, click on update and security if you have Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, click on privacy and security and then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection, then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow, click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder, open the Steam folder, Steam apps. This is for Steam users. Then open the common folder. Now open Sniper Elite 5 game folder, open the launcher folder, select Sniper Elite 5.exe, click on open. Once the game is added over here, again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Go back, open the bin folder, select Sniper dx12exe, click on add, again click on it, browse all apps, select Vulkan 1, then click on open. Once all the exes are added, now launch the game. Now the next step is to close all the overlay application. First of all, disable Steam overlay. So make a right click on this game, then select properties, uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game. Now if you have any other overlay applications. So if you have Discord running, close Discord. Now if you have GeForce Experience running, close GeForce Experience. So close all the overlay application and then launch the game. Next step is to verify the game file. For this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the local files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. After the verification, launch the game. Now the next step is to close all the overclocking applications. So if you have MSI Afterburner running on the computer, close MSI Afterburner. Now if you have Riva Tuner running, close Riva Tuner. So close all the overclocking application and then launch the game. Also perform clean boot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here, then click on disable all. In my case, this is grayed out. I already did it. In your case, this would be highlighted. So put a check over here and then click on disable all, then click on apply, OK, and then the restart option, click on restart and launch the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, open any browser on your computer and then go to this website. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Now over here you will see x86 and x64 version. So you have to download both x86 and x64 version. So click on both the exe file and then run both the exe file. Now click on repair or install, whatever you see. So you might see the install option. If you see install, click on install. If you see the repair option, click on repair. Click on yes to allow. Run the second file as well. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install and let the installation complete. Now once both the installation is complete, you will see the restart option. Restart your computer and then launch the game. Make sure both the installation is complete, only then click on restart and then launch the game. Now the next step is to launch the game in window mode. So go to Steam, click on the game and then go to settings, select window from here and then you can select Vulkan. If the graphic detail is set to ultra, you can select high, medium, or you can even try low and then uncheck motion blur, uncheck HDR, uncheck VSync and then click on OK and then click on play. Now the next step is to reinstall the game to different drive. So if nothing is working, uninstall the game, make a right click, select manage, then click on uninstall. After the uninstall, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder, restart your computer first, and after the system restart, reinstall the game to different drive. So if you have another SSD or HDD, try installing the game to different drive and then check. For Xbox Game Pass users, make sure date, time, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right, here you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Make sure set time automatically is on over here. In Windows 10, you will find set time zone automatically. Make sure that is also on. In Windows 11, you won't find set time zone automatically. In that case, you can select right time zone from here. This would be highlighted. So select the right time zone from here and then click on sync now. Make sure that you click on sync now. And once this is done, launch the game. Also make sure the right country is selected over here and then launch the game. Now the next step is to make sure you're logged in with same account on Xbox app and with same account on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store. On the top left, you will see the profile icon. You have to click on the profile icon and then log out from Microsoft Store. Also log out from Xbox app and then log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. Now the next step is to verify and repair the game file. For this, open Xbox app. Now for this, open Xbox app and then take your mouse cursor on Sniper Elite 5 and then click on this three dot and then you will see the manage option. In my case, the game is not installed, so I don't see manage option. I'll show you with another game. So click on the three dots and then click on manage and then go to files and then click on verify and repair, and once this is done, launch the game. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall gaming services. For this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description, so copy it. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box and then make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now this will uninstall gaming services. And once this is done, now copy the second command. This command is also provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will open Microsoft Store and you will see the install option to install gaming services. So click on install, click on yes to allow, and let the download complete. Once this is downloaded, now launch the game. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. For this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Again, type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and then paste the command over here and then hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and during this process you will receive some errors in red color. So if you see any errors in red color, just ignore it and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window and then launch the game. Now the next step is to install all updates in Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. On the bottom left here you can see library options, so click on library, and over here you can see the option which says get updates. So click on get updates. Once all the updates are installed, launch the game. Now the last step is to repair and reset the game. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to apps and then click on apps and features. Now over here find the game. So you will find the Sniper Elite 5 game over here. I have the Steam version, so I don't have that game over here. So find Sniper Elite 5 game. I'm showing with different game. This is just an example. Click on the game. In Windows 10, when you click on it, you will see advanced option. Click on it and then you will see the repair. Click on repair. After the repair, launch the game. If that does not resolve the problem, then click on reset. After the reset, launch the game. In Windows 11, you will find 3 dots. When you find the game, in front of it you will find 3 dots and then click on advanced option and then repair and reset and then launch the game. So one of the steps should help you to get the game running on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.